Hey guys, I hit the lamp. Hey, my name is Steffi and I'm new to doing my nails, so I'm not a professional whatsoever, but Halloween is coming up and I really want to do a set of nails. I did a set of Halloween nails a couple weeks ago and they just need to come off, but I feel like it's a crime to allow Halloween to pass and not have Halloween nails. So we're gonna do a set. It's super easy. I'll show the inspiration and I'm not gonna ramble, let's get into it. Just to save some time on the video, I'm just gonna do my left hand today. I already prepped my cuticles, so they're all clean and ready to go. Only thing I need to do first before we get started is put on my Gel X nails. So I'm gonna do those really quick and come right back. Nails are on, I just filed them, gave them a little buff. Before we polish, I'm gonna use this little nail primer. Really struggled putting on my Gel X nails today. I have a feeling they're going to lift and pop off, which is fine. I kind of don't want these nails to sit on for about 2 weeks because they're Halloween nails. You always want to avoid hitting your cuticles when you put on nail primer. This is the base color I'm using today. It's by Beetles. It's B072 and it's basically pink champagne. I'll put the link to that below. Very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna cure this. Here's the first coat. I'm unsure about it so far. I've never used this gel polish, but we'll try it again to see if I'm happy. I have 3 coats on. So I filed my nails. I filed the uneven bits because I'm still not good at that. But we're gonna do matte top coat. I feel like this is gonna be really cute with the design I have in mind. So let's do that. So matte top coat is on. It looks great. Let's start with, okay, I want to do the thumb first actually because I feel like that would be the easiest. So in the inspiration, she did some little blood drips. So we're gonna do little circles. Oh, I forgot to mention now before I start doing everything. So I got this in my little gel liner kit. It's Scarlet Red by Beetles. This is just a little gel art liner kit. Oh, it's a really pretty red. Okay, so after I fill this in, I'm gonna cure it. And I actually don't think I need a second coat. I'll take a look at it closer, but don't think I need a coat. I'll just top coat it. I'm gonna do the little dotting tool around this because I feel like I'm messing it up. So I'm not happy with it. I feel like this little area right here where like the drip is that goes down, it's just too wide. So it kind of looks like melting ice cream, not blood drips. Let's take this off and try again. So now that we have those little, they look like claw marks. So now that we have these in, I'm gonna just do a little swirl wave thing, just kind of connect them all. Not a huge fan. Why does it look so bad? No, that looks bad. Okay, try it again. Kind of looks like a crown, but I think this is good enough. I'm a little over it. It looks the closest to sorry, my son woke up from his nap and hovering over me. All right, so what I'm doing is using a little bit of the glitter and the red. Ooh, and maybe the top coat. I'm using this No White top coat. It's okay. And I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of glitter and the red gel polish. Mix this all together. I got glitter all over my hands. Okay, so let's cure this. All right, now the glitter left a weird like chunky texture to it, so I'm gonna put a top coat on here. Looks good. Let's cure. Next now. I did end up removing this design because it really just didn't fit the aesthetic of the design I was going for, the theme of the design. All right, now it's time to do the little horns How to find my dotting tool. My son snatched it. I think the hard part is going to be making this even. That looks about even. So now what I'm gonna do is the hard part. The little horns trying to make this part even. I don't know if that's good or not. We'll see once I fill it out. It actually looks pretty good. The only thing that's bothering me is that it's not even. Okay, that looks cute. So now the glitter. Okay, so now a top coat on the little devil horn. I don't really need a top coat, but it does smooth out the little glitter chunks. Looks good. Time to cure. So now I'm just starting with the arrow, or the triangle for the arrow, you know. I think I should make the cross just a little bit bigger. I'm actually pretty happy with this, so time to cure. All right, now time for the glitter. Okay, so now the flames. For the flame, I'm just kind of like drawing some squiggles. So I did the little line, and then I'm gonna do another little squiggle right here. And then maybe another squiggle down here. Is that good? I don't know. We'll figure it out. What am I gonna do from here? I'm trying to figure out what to do from here. Okay, I'm gonna connect that. So I'm just kind of filling it in and connecting it. So right here, it's a little skinny, so I'm gonna fix this part. Oh no, that looks terrible. It was looking good till I got to that edge. This edge, I don't like it. Let's see if I can scrape this part off, because this, I don't want to ruin the whole nail. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. That was a good save. So now let's do like that. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that actually looks really cute. All right, I'm happy with that. So I just cured, and now I'm gonna do the coat with the gel and glitter. Okay, I'm very happy with how the flames came out. This is only my second time ever doing nail art, and I don't know, flames always seem so intimidating. But this morning I did watch a couple of TikToks on how to do flames, and it seemed pretty easy, and I just kind of like winged it from what I remember this morning. And it doesn't seem too intimidating. Time for top coat. Okay, the more I looked at it, the more I just really want flames on this finger. I don't like it. It just doesn't fit. Okay, I'm gonna file this off. I don't know. I like the flames. This just, I'm not feeling it. Okay, so filed off all of the art and the matte top coat I had here. So I'm gonna put on a layer of top coat again. All right, let's cure. Okay, so after much thought, I was taking pictures of this little blood drip nail, and I hate it. I'm gonna take this off. I watched a few videos on TikTok on how to do the little blood drip, and I'm going to give it another go because it looks dumb. Not dumb, but I don't know. It just doesn't fit. It doesn't look good compared to everything else. Like, everything else is just cute, minimalistic, and then you just have this clunky, ugly blood drip. Let's remove that. I pretty much got all of the red off except for around the edges, which was kind of pointless of filing off. And I did the top coat. Now the tutorials, what they basically showed was do the little dots first. So I'll do one right here. Okay, so what I'm doing is doing a little dot and then just dragging it down a little bit, not too much. So now I'm gonna get my brush and I'm just gonna drag it all the way down. Okay, that looks better. So far, so good. And I don't know, for some reason, I just want to do it like a French tip curve almost, but I'll show you. I'm terrible at explaining things, but I'm envisioning like a French tip curve. Kind of got the little French tip going. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the little curve to connect the drips. I'm actually kind of happy with that. This one's a little crooked though. Okay, hold on. How am I gonna fix this? I think I'm happy with that. I feel like if I fuss with it too much, I'm gonna hate it. I put a glitter base on there and the top coat, so we're done with the thumb. I'm very happy with it. And now time to work on the flames. I'm gonna do the exact same thing here. Just start with a little line. And then from the line, I'm just gonna do the little swivels. That's ugly. It's too straight. All right, let's try it again. Time to just kind of like connect it. Okay, so I'm looking at this and just not filling this flame. So I'm dipping a little bit of alcohol on this little sponge and just kind of like scraping it off. I actually really like this trick. I don't know what made me want to do this one day. Yeah, the silicone sponge thing really is helpful. Now I'm getting a regular brush, cleaning it up. What I want to do is a little swiggle more towards the center. I fixed the flame up here. I didn't like it. It was a little too thick at the tip. So I got a brush and some alcohol and just fixed it. I think I'm happy with that. So let's cure. Top coat. Okay, I'm all done and I'm actually happy with it now. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm very happy with it. I think it's really cute. I'm happy with the little drippy things now. Well, shout out to Nails Cat. I believe the same thing on TikTok, Instagram, and this is where I got the inspiration. I seen it on Pinterest and I wanted to look up who did the design just to give that person credit, and I follow her on Instagram now. This is a really cute, super easy, quick Halloween nail, especially a DIYer like myself, and I'm happy with it. I think it's really cute. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more nail videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.